What's up, bud? I must admit that the current drop in cryptocurrency prices has astounded me. It does not appear like the community is in excellent shape, and to be honest, I have to confess, figuring out what could be the cause of crypto's downtrend has been perplexing. There is no definitive conclusion. However, NFTs account for a larger portion of my prediction. The tokens that aren't fungible. They're inundating the crypto space, distracting attention and capital. What does it cost to own an NFT, and how much does it cost to buy one? It takes a lot of pocket to hand, if you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, it will drain some funds from your bank account. But, as you are aware, the number of people who hold NFT is increasing every day, but you are not one of them. Are you having money troubles? Yes, that occurred to me as well. No worries, there's a way out. You can receive NFTs for free in a variety of methods. Let me make an educated guess at what you're thinking. How can I receive free NFTs? Right, I'll address your question in this video, and if you watch all the way to the end, you'll receive the whole explanation. Hi there, I am glad to welcome you to another Bashbox video. Kindly take a minute to hit the like and subscribe button. With that being said, let's get right to it. Getting started is the most difficult part. It's difficult to get the ball rolling, much like moving a large boulder, until momentum takes over and it rolls itself. Many people with NFTs, I'm sure, are at this point unsure where to begin or how to get started. NFTs are still in their early stages of development. New ones are springing up all over the place. The best part is that many new NFTs are currently worth next to nothing, if at all, and are even being given away for free. My plan has been to gather as much as possible while the prices are still low. Each one is a limited edition lottery ticket. It's all a numbers game, even if they'll never be worth anything. To begin, NFTs, also known as non-fungible tokens, are one-of-a-kind, non-transferable tokens that represent actual or virtual assets on a blockchain, such as artworks, photographs, or other types of digital information. Already, tokenized artwork like CryptoPunk is extremely popular, causing the value of various NFTs to skyrocket. That's what I'm referring to. The value of NFTs continues to rise, and I'm confident that this video will arrive just in time. I recommend that you pay close attention. NFTs are gaining popularity among traders all around the world. With the use of blockchain, NFTs allow you to take digital ownership to a whole new level. This is a sort of Bitcoin investment that is separate from the others. The fact that they can tokenize any real-world asset is supported by the media attention they receive. NFTs have some unique characteristics that aren't found in other types of physical art. You can easily verify you are the creator or owner of an NFT material and establish its scarcity, because it is based on blockchain technology. Aside from that, you can collect royalties every time you exchange it for cash, which gives you more power. You can list and auction your NFTs directly on several marketplaces. Remember that you are not bound to any platform and can exchange as much as you want. It's becoming clearer now, but you don't just pick up your phone one bright afternoon and start looking for NFTs to claim. It's not a trick of the light. There's a method to it, buddy. And this is where I advise you to concentrate on the details. Your contents must be recognized as NFTs before you begin your NFT journey, which implies they must go through a blockchain minting operation. This will ensure that just one digital version of an NFT art will be offered in the marketplace. Though copies of the NFT are still legal portions of the blockchain, they will not carry the same value due to the originality, same as art reproductions of an artwork are created, used, bought, and sold. Let's have a look at how to get started. In order to store your NFTs, you must first register a Wax account. On .wax.io is a great place to start. You can get one quickly, and having one makes future sign-ins much easier by allowing you to merely press a button. Create a new Wax Cloud wallet account with your email address or through various social media platforms like Discord, Reddit, Twitter, and others. After you've created an account, the wallet will assign you a Wax address, and you'll be good to go. Very straightforward. Moving on with getting free NFTs. NFTs are simpler to come by in 2021 than they have ever been. There are a variety of ways to get free NFTs, including earning them through websites, sweepstakes, and games. Do you like sweepstakes? You have got to keep your ears down for giveaway campaigns, like Twitter did recently. This works on two sides, for you, and for the company dishing out the giveaways. To attract users, many new platforms and corporations run giveaway campaigns in which they give away NFTs for free. Twitter just announced that as part of its giveaway campaign, it will be giving away free NFTs. In addition, the business is handing out 140 new NFTs with graphics ranging from the Twitter logo to the Tamagotchi virtual pet, furry Twitter, and Twitter JGGL. Let's get started. Are you familiar with Alien World? Alien Worlds is a DeFi NFT metaverse where you can meet like-minded people and interact with unique advanced digital things. Explorers can get NFTs and packs by playing the game and showing interest in Planet DAOS. Pioneers can obtain or purchase NFTs and packs through gaming and interest in Planet DAOS, and it is the lone cross-designated ETH Wax job. The Alien Worlds electronic resources are created on the Wax blockchain. Alien Worlds has evolved into a more profitable source of free NFT. In a single day, playing a free NFT game can earn you more than $20. The main reason to play Alien Worlds is that you don't have to make any initial investment to get a decent amount of cash back. Although other games may have a tremendous return on investment if you give them enough time, however, it takes a lot of grinding to get to a position where you can collect a decent quantity. Every 1 to 2 weeks, you can earn free NFTs on the platform by mining using Alien Worlds. You can stake your tokens on a planet in Alien Worlds. You can attempt the Full House NFTs if this seems like a really tall ladder to climb. Go to fullhouse.io and follow the 2 steps to acquire 2 free animated NFT playing cards. Go to the Full House official website and click the Claim My NFTs button at the top of the page to claim your NFTs. Simply input your name, email, Telegram, and Binance Smart Chain address, which will be used to airdrop your cards after the process is complete. To receive the NFTs, you must also be a member of the fullhouse.io Telegram group. You can also make your own NFTs, which I assume is what you'd like. If you're thinking about it, here's how to go about it. There will be no pressure because it will be free. If you wanted to, you could even give yourself an endless quantity of money. You can, however, create your own NFTs by creating cool drawings of whatever you like or something uncommon that others might love, then sharing them with friends and family. Select NFT Creator at the top of the Atomic Hub dashboard by going to wax.atomichub.io. Written and video guidelines are available on the site to help you start your own NFT collection. I'm going to give you some time to experiment with these possibilities, then come here to drop your feedback. So, through your thumb, I'm hoping to learn what you think. NFTs haven't even had a cup of coffee yet. They're only at the beginning of the process. OpenSea currently has only 23,000 active digital wallets registered. Imagine not going on Instagram because you believed you'd already missed the train when there were only 23,000 people on the platform. Now is the time to catch up, pal. This may take some time to pay off, but at the very least, you'll have an NFT collection to brag about. Guys, that's it for now. If you have any business proposal, kindly send us a message via our official email in the description of this video. Disclaimer: please keep in mind that this isn't financial advice. We take no responsibility for any loss or damage caused by your actions or inactions as a result of watching any of our videos. You acknowledge that you use the information we provide at your own risk. Quick reminder: if investing in any cryptocurrency seems like an interesting idea to you, the easiest and safest way to buy any cryptocurrency regardless of any country you reside in is to buy from the Binance platform. There are other places where you can buy cryptocurrency, but this platform is the best and cheapest as far as cryptocurrency is concerned. Kindly use the link in the description of this video to buy and start trading. Also, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and notification bell down below, so you get to know whenever we post similar videos like this. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.